Welcome to CAD Legend. In this small clip, I will show you how can you do dimensioning of any part. It's really very simple for you people to understand. We have only two commands or three commands. With the help of that, you can do any kind of dimensions. It's really a trick for you, okay? Except the one that is the arc length. So let me show. If, for example, I have a circle, see enter, draw a circle. This is a random circle and I want to check the diameter of the circle. What I will do, I will just enter DAL double enter. Select the circle and you will see the diameter. Just left click. And the next thing, if for example I have a rectangle and I want to check the width and length of this rectangle, what I can do, again, I will enter DAL double enter. Select this and just drag it up here. Then again press space key, and now just check the width of this rectangle as well. Now, but there is a situations and that you cannot use DAL double enter. Let me show. For example, you have such kind of situation like this. And if, for example, you want to check the distance in between these two corners or the distance in between this opening. For that, what you can do, you will just enter DLI, dimension linear, enter. Just like this point and like this point. Just drag it down. So this is how you can do dimensioning. But both of these commands are really different from each other. And it's really a trick to understand. The next thing, that is about the arc. If, for example, I just draw an arc like this, and I want to measure the length of this arc. For that, I will come to dimension and I will come to the arc length. I will select the arc, just drag it upward like this. See? So this is actually the arc length. And if you want to measure the distance in between this point and this point, again, for that, you can just enter DLI. Like this point and this point. You can actually measure the distance in between these points, which is really simple. The next one that is most probably and mostly used inside the dimension is the dimension angular. For example, I have such kind of situations. Press F8 to free your line, where the two lines are making a certain angle. And now we want to check the angle in between these two lines. What you can do, you can just enter DAN enter, which means the dimension angular. Select any of the lines and between them you want to find the angle. For example, if we have another case, let's suppose I want to draw a rectangle like this. See? Again, I want to check the internal angles. And you already know that if you have the two angles, now so you can actually find the third one by subtracting them from 180. So hopefully you understand how can you use the dimensioning and how can you do dimensioning really simple by using the three methods. Remember one thing, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the notification bell icon so that you will not miss any of the videos that I'm going to upload. Thanks for watching.